No. I don't think Ben Stokes is a good match for Pakistan. He averages only 18.77 against Pakistan, his worst against any Asian side. Also, I think it is high time that England should now win a test series against Pakistan. It has been 10 years, my god. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Tanay Tiwari from Crickbuzz, and I match numbers. I tell you how a player does, I give you the bio data of an entire team. Beyond that, it is all destiny. It depends on how they play, how the stars align for them, how the Kundali is. Today, we are matching England and Pakistan. Have you ever wished for a time machine? You have, right? I mean, you can do so many things with it, like travel to pre-corona times, go to your favorite restaurants, have dinner with friends and family, watch Manchester United actually fight for championships, and also witness England win a test series against Pakistan. Yes, because the last time England won a test series against Pakistan was... no, not this one. Not this one either. No. Yes, this one. Way back in 2010, England won their last test series against Pakistan 3-1 in England. Ever since then, they've played 4 series. Pakistan have won 2. 2 have ended in draws. Pakistani fans, before you get on your high horses, hear this out. The venues for this test series are Southampton and Manchester, which means not London. Yes, because outside of London, Pakistan in England's struggle of the 28 test matches that they've played outside London, they've only won 2. And it's not going to be easy for Pakistan, whose captain Azhar Ali was the 7th highest run scorer between 2014 and 2017. And that's a huge feat because Pakistan don't play test cricket that often. But post 2017, his form has slumped, the runs have dried up and his average has almost halved. And it will not help Azhar Ali in Pakistan's case with the fact that they will come up against Messrs Anderson and Broadco, who have dismissed Azhar Ali between them 13 times. To pile up further on Pakistan's misery is the fact that Joe Root, he averages his career best against Pakistan. But Pakistan, come no, I have a secret for you. Joe Root in home tests hasn't been that great since the start of 2018. Just something that you must take care of. And you can with the battery that you have. Pakistan's pacers love the pace and seam on tracks more than they love the bounce, and that shows in their split record. They don't perform that well in Australia and South Africa, but come places like New Zealand and England, they ace it, and how. But when you talk seam and swing in England, one boy is very suitable for these conditions. Very suitable. He has a great biodata. In fact, he is just 11 wickets away from 600 test wickets. He will be the first boy, the first fast bowling boy to pick 600 test wickets. And I think he will be a great match with Shan Masood. Why Shan Masood? Because he dismisses Shan Masood every 9.5 balls in test cricket. Where do you get this match? Tell me. The stars are all aligned, the destiny is there. Yes, Shan Masood has been James Anderson's bunny in test cricket. In fact, to all the batsmen who James Anderson has bowled 50 plus deliveries, he has not dismissed any batsman as frequently as he has dismissed Shan Masood. But if England have their swing king, Pakistan have their knight in a shining armor, Babar Azam. That name is enough. Until the 2018 tour of England, since his debut, Babar Azam seemed like a different batsman. Post it, he seems like an entirely different batsman. His average has gone notches higher, he's scoring more runs. In his last 7 test innings, 4 have been centuries, 2 have been half centuries, one of which was a 97. Also, my face reader tells me that this will be a good jodi. Ye dono ka acha nibhega. Babar Azam and James Anderson. This should be a match that should happen. Since the start of 2019, England have played 18 test matches, the most for a side in this period. Pakistan have just played 7, a little more than what Afghanistan, Ireland and Zimbabwe have played. But that doesn't mean you will have to compromise or cut down on getting updates from this test series, because I will be here at the end of every day of Test Match Cricket in this series with all the biodatas, with all the kundalis, with everything in our match story. See you on the 5th.